Hello students, I am Kirti from Computer Science Department, GSI PU College, Mysore. Today is our 13th session of Chapter 4 Data Structure. In the previous session, we have studied about the applications of stack, the arithmetic expression as well as the different types of arithmetic expression and how to convert from infix to postfix expression. So, in this session, we are going to study about how to convert from infix to prefix expression. So, the algorithm for prefix expression. Algorithm for prefix expression. So, the step 1, reverse the infix string First, we have to reverse the given infix string. Note that while reversing we have to interchange, we must interchange left and right parenthesis. Step 2, obtain the postfix expression for the given infix expression. Step 3, reverse the output of the postfix expression to get the prefix expression. Yes, what is the first step? First step, we have to reverse the infix string. Then while reversing, we must interchange the left and right parenthesis, and in step 2 we have to obtain the postfix expression for the given infix expression, and in step 3 we have to reverse the output of the postfix expression to get the prefix expression. So now let us see how to convert from infix to prefix expression. So we have to convert this infix expression into prefix expression. So what is the first step? First step, we have to reverse the given infix string. Step 1 is we have to reverse. So what is the reverse of A plus B plus C? It is nothing but C plus B plus A. So this is the reverse of the infix expression A plus B plus C. So what is the second step? Second step is obtain the postfix expression for the given infix expression. We have to obtain the postfix expression. So what is the first column? The first column is expression, then stack, third column is output. Yes. What is the first element? The first element is an operand. So we are going to output this operand. So here the stack is empty. The second element is an operator, that is addition operator. So we are going to push it into the stack. Third element is an operand, that is B. We are going to output it. Next element is an operator, that is addition operator. We are going to push it into the stack. Next is an operand, that is A. We are going to output it. So further we don't have any more input. So what we have to do? We have to pop out all the operators from the stack. So pop out all the operators from the stack. So this is the output for the postfix value. Postfix value is CBA plus plus. CBA plus plus. So this is the postfix value of this expression. So in step 3 what we have to do? We have to reverse the output of the postfix expression to get the prefix expression. We have to reverse this postfix expression value. So while reversing, it will become plus plus ABC. So this is the prefix expression of the given infix expression A plus B plus C plus plus ABC. This is how we have to convert from infix to prefix expression. Let's solve another expression. The second expression is D plus E star F into prefix expression. So how to convert from infix to prefix? The first step, we have to reverse the given infix expression. So here we have left and right parenthesis. So we have to interchange these two while reversing. So how to convert from infix to prefix expression? First we have to reverse the given infix expression. First step, we have to reverse the given infix expression, that is F into closing bracket E plus D opening bracket. So here we have left and right parenthesis. So what we have to do? We have to interchange that. So this F into E plus D. So this is the reverse of the infix string. So in step 2 we have to convert it into postfix expression. So that is expression stack out. So what is the first element? The first element is an operand. So we are going to output this operand. So here the stack is empty. Second is an operator. So we are going to push it into the stack. Next is opening parenthesis. So we are going to push it into the stack. Next is an operand E. We are going to output it. Next is an operator. We are going to push it into the stack. Next, D is an operand. We are going to output it. Next, closing parenthesis. So here what we have to do? We have to pop out all the operators from the stack until we get this closing parenthesis, and we have to discard this. So here we don't have any more input. So what we have to do? We have to pop out all the operators from the stack to get the output. So the postfix value of this infix expression is FED plus star. FED plus star. So to get the prefix expression, we have to reverse this postfix expression output. So in the third step, we are going to reverse this postfix value. So that is star plus DEF. So this is the output of this given infix expression. Hope you people understood how to convert from infix to prefix expression. So the first step is we have to reverse the given infix string. So while reversing, you must note that you have to interchange the left and right parenthesis. In the step 2, we have to get the postfix expression of the given infix expression. In the third step, we have to reverse the output of the postfix expression to get the prefix expression. So this is the algorithm for evaluating a postfix expression. While more input item exists, we are going to check whether it is an operand or an operator. If it is an operand, we are going to push it into the stack. Else what we are going to do, if we get the operator as an input, we are going to pop out 2 operands from the stack to perform some operation, and then we are going to push that result into the stack. Then we are going to pop out that result as the output of the stack. So let's see how to perform this. So consider this expression. We are going to evaluate this postfix expression. So first we have to scan from left to right of the given expression. So the first thing is an operand. I am going to push it into the stack. Next, in the next step, the second element is also an operand. I am going to push it into the stack. In the third step, it is also an operand. So I am going to push it into the stack. And third, I got it as an operator. Star is an operator. So I am going to pop out the first 2 elements of the stack. So that is 1 into 3. It becomes 3. It is going to perform multiplication operator with the first 2 operands of the stack. So 3 is the result. So I am going to push this 3 into the stack. So before pushing this result, the stack contains only 2 as its element. So I am going to pushing this result 3 into the stack. Next, plus is an operator. So what we have to do, we have to pop out two operands from the stack to perform addition operation. So pop out these two operands from the stack. 3 plus 2 becomes 5. So 5 is our result now. So I am going to push that result into the stack. So now the stack contains only the result, that is 5. Next, scan the next element. The next element is an operand, that is 9. I am going to push it into the stack. 5, 9. Next, scan the next element in the expression, that is minus. So what we have to do, we have to pop out the two operands from the stack to perform subtraction. So that is 5 minus 9, that is minus 4. Minus 4 is the result. So minus 4 is the result. I am going to pop out this result from the stack. So there are no elements in the expression, so we are going to pop out the result from the stack. So the result of this given expression is minus 4. Minus 4. So this is how we are going to evaluate this postfix expression. Let's solve some more expressions. So the first one is convert it into prefix expression. So the expression is A plus B into C plus D into E. So while converting from infix to prefix, the first step is we have to reverse the string. Reverse the string. E into closing parenthesis B plus C opening parenthesis star closing parenthesis B plus A then opening parenthesis. So here we have to reverse these left and right parenthesis. So E into, convert it into opening parenthesis B plus C closing parenthesis into opening parenthesis B plus A into closing parenthesis. So second step is we have to convert this into postfix expression. So expression stack and output. So first one is an operand, so I am going to, second one is operator, I am going to push this operator into the stack. Next is, opening parenthesis, I am going to push this into the stack. Next is an operand, so I am going to output this operand. Next plus is an operator, I am going to push this operator into the stack. Next C is an operand, I am going to output it. Closing parenthesis, so here what we have to do, we have to pop out all the operators from the stack until we get this closing parenthesis, and then we have to pop out this closing parenthesis and then we have to discard it. So EDC plus. So now the next is multiplication operator. So I am going to push it into the stack. Next is opening parenthesis, I am going to push it into the stack. Next is an operand, I am going to output this operand. Plus is an operator, I am going to push it into the stack. Next, A is an operand, so I am going to output this operand, that is EDC plus BA. Next is closing parenthesis. If we get this closing parenthesis, we have to pop out all the operators from the stack until we get this opening parenthesis. We have to discard this opening parenthesis. So the output will be EDC plus BA plus. So here the stack contains star star, that is multiplication symbol. So here we don't have no more inputs, so we have to pop out all the operators from the stack. So the output of the postfix expression is EDC plus BA plus star star. So we have to reverse this postfix expression output to get the prefix expression. So in step 3, the output will be star star plus AB plus CDE. So this is the prefix value of this infix expression. Now let's solve the second expression. Now let's solve the second expression into its prefix as well as postfix expression. So the expression is A plus B into C plus D, right. The first step is we are going to convert it into prefix as well as postfix. So if we convert this to prefix, we will get the postfix expression also. So first reverse the string. So the string is closing parenthesis D plus C, opening parenthesis star, closing parenthesis B plus A, opening parenthesis. We have to interchange these opening and closing parenthesis. That is, it becomes B plus A. Now we have to perform postfix. We have to convert it into postfix expression. So the first column is expression stack output. The first one is opening parenthesis, so push it into the stack. Next is an operand. I am going to output this operand. Next is an operator. I am going to push it into the stack. Next C is an operand. I am going to output it. Next, closing parenthesis. So what we have to do? We have to pop out the operators from the stack until we get this opening parenthesis. So pop out the operators from the stack and discard this opening parenthesis. Next is an operator. Push it into the stack. Next, opening parenthesis. Push it into the stack. Next, B is an operand. Output it. Next, plus is an operator. Push it into the stack. Next, A is an operand. Output it. Next, closing parenthesis. We have to pop out all the operators from the stack until we get this opening parenthesis. Pop out and discard this. So now the stack contains only this multiplication symbol. So here we don't have any more inputs, so we have to pop out the operators from the stack. So this is the postfix value of the given infix expression. To get the prefix value, so this is the postfix value, and to get the prefix value we have to reverse this output of postfix value, that is star plus AB plus CD. So this is how we are going to convert from infix to prefix and postfix expressions. Thank you.